Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right now we're gonna continue where we left off with the Dodge Charger, but today I think I want to try to get the car started because I don't want to be just working and everything on the car and the car don't start. So right now I'm just checking out some things. Right now I just take off this ABS module. Everything is damaged, so I just take that off and I'm installing a new one. Right now I'm trying to change this airbag, the new one over there, but the clips are burned off inside, so maybe I have to get some more clips or something. So finish put all of this together. Right, so I want to try to start it now. I want to make sure everything cranks and start before I change the cover right here. This is a new one, and the gasket and everything. Like I said, right here is broken where the alternator bolts on, so I want that, all of this to be replaced. So right now I'm gonna try to see if this car starts. I'm gonna try to connect the battery first. And I also change this fuse as well. Make sure fully charge the battery. Light is on. Up. Take a look on the dash. Try to start it. Hold on a bit. Everything is on. Run. Turn off the fan. Time to see if it starts now. If it starts, we can't leave it on for long. No radiator is connected, so no coolant is inside, so we're just gonna try to start it pretty quick. Press down the brakes, pump it up a little bit, and then finally car starts, so that's a good thing. So the only thing I have to do right now is change the timing cover, right, and do some minor things, then send it to the frame shop. After it come from the frame shop, I'm gonna take the dashboard out, the windscreen out, change the dashboard, and I have a lot more things to do. Well guys, this is the next day. I got the pulley off last night, but camera died, so let me show you. This is the pulley right here. Everything is good. Like I said, all I use is the pulley tool and the drill right there, the impact gun right there, and take it off. So I'm gonna continue taking off everything. timing cover off. Yeah, everything looking good. This is it right here. And that's the new one. I'm gonna take off some of the things on the table to lay out everything better to start to work, so let's get to it. So time to get down and dirty. These are the seals. Not gonna put on this until I put the cover back on, but with the seals sometimes I like to put a little oil on them. And remember to clean the air properly. Make sure there is nothing on, because when you're installing it, it won't sit properly and you're gonna have a leak, and then you have to take it off all again. So make sure you clean your air properly before you install. Right down the bottom right here, I'm gonna put some high temperature gray RTV sealant gasket right down here. Most time it doesn't need it, but for me, I like to put it, make sure everything seals properly. So I'm just gonna put a little right down the bottom right here. So this is it with all of the things back on. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. Car starts fine, change some things, you know. So in the next video, see what we can do from there. So until next time, Madcanic out.
Yeah.